Hi everyone, welcome to a quick tutorial how we make a granny square triangle shawl. For the choice of my yarn I use a crochet hook of 3.5 mm. We make a slip knot on the hook. And we begin with a chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now close here with the slip stitch on the top of the first chain. Enter your hook in that chain, grab your yarn, pull up and then pull through. Now we have here a little circle. In the middle of that circle we make all the stitches of round 1. We make a chain 3. 1, 2 and 3 counts for a first double crochet. Now we have to make a chain 1. That's 1. We have here a chain 4. The first 3 chain stitches counts for a double crochet and the fourth one is a chain stitch. Now in the middle of that circle we make our first group of 3 double crochets. So yarn over, enter your hook in that circle, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull for 2, yarn over, pull for 2. That's 1. Yarn over, back in that same circle and make a double crochet. That's 2. Yarn over, back in that same circle and make a third double crochet. Now we make the point of our shawl. That's a chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now back in that same circle, make 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. Then we make a chain 1. And then back in that same circle 1 double crochet. This is the start of our shawl. Row 1 is complete. Row 2, make a chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 3 chain stitches counts for 1 double crochet and the fourth chain stitch is a chain. Now turn your work upside down and now here in that space of that chain 1 between the 2 double crochets here, make a new group of 3 double crochets in that space. So yarn over, enter your hook here in that space and make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet, all in that same space. Make a chain 1. Now we skip over the next group here of 3 double crochets and then in that space of 3 chain stitches we make a new group of 3 double crochet. Skip over the 3 double crochets, yarn over, enter your hook in that chain 3, make 1, 2 and 3 double crochets in that space. We make a new point, a chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now back in that same chain 3 space here in the point, you make a second group of 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2 and 3. And these 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets is our new point. Make a chain Now skip over the next group of 3 double crochet, and then in the next chain 1 space here in that space of that 4 chain and between the last double crochet here, make a new group of 3 double crochets in that space. It's 1, 2 and 3. Now make a chain 1, and now on the top of that first chain 3 counts for a double crochet, we make another 1 double crochet. It's 1, 2 and 3 in that stitch, yarn over and the hook in that stitch and make 1 double crochet, and row 2 is complete. We start on row 3, make a chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 3 chain stitches is a double crochet and the fourth one is a chain. Now turn. Now here in that first chain 1 space, make a new group of 3 double crochets in that space. It's 1, 2, 3. Then make a chain 1, skip over the next 3 double crochets, and then in the next chain 1 space make a new group of 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2 and 3. Then a chain 1. Now here in the chain 3 point space we make a new point. 3 double crochets in that chain 3 space. It's 1, 2, 3. Then make a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and back in that same point here in that chain 3. Make 3 double crochets in that same space. 2, and that's 3 for a new point. Make a chain 1, skip over the next 3 double crochets, and in the next chain 1 space a new group of 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2 and 3. Then make a chain 1, skip over the next group of 3 double crochets, and then here in the last space, in this space here, for that chain 4, make a new group of 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2 and 3. Then make a chain 1, and here on the top of the first chain 3, in the third chain stitch make 1 double crochet, yarn over, then in the 1, 2, 3 in the third chain, go in that chain stitch and make 1 double crochet to complete row 3. And we start already on row 4, and this is only what you have to do. Repeat all these stitches over and over. I'll show you once more. You start with a chain 4, counts for a first double crochet and a chain stitch. Turn your work into that first chain 1 space, make a new group of 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then make a chain, yarn over, skip the 3 next double crochets, in the next chain 1 space a new group of 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Make a chain, skip over the next group of 3 double crochets, yarn over, enter hook in the next chain 1 space, a new group of 3 double crochets in that space. make a chain, skip over the next 3 double crochets, and then in the point space here, that chain 3, make a new point. 3 double crochets in that space. 1, 2, 3, make a chain 3, back in that same space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Make a chain 1, skip over the next group of 3 double crochets, in the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Make a chain, skip over the next group of 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, then a chain 1, and I need some yarn, then skip over the next 3 double crochets, and then in the last space here for that chain 4, make 3 double crochets in that space. 1, 2, and 3. Then make a chain, and then on the top of the first chain 3 in the third chain stitch, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert your chain 3. 1, 2, and 3 in the top stitch here, make 1 double crochet, and this is only what you have to do to make your granny shawl complete. Go over and over and over till you find your shawl is big enough. Are you here for the first time? Then please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!